What is the first step to finding a part-time job in Canada?
So first of all, for you to work in Canada as a student, you have to be a full-time student and you also have to have your studies started. So once you have that all figured out, you have to figure out all the documents that are necessary to start working here part-time, and these are the documents right here that you need to have.
Okay, I have everything. Now what do I do?
Once you have all your documents, it's time to start working on your resume and your cover letter. If you're not too sure how to do that, please visit the Career Hub on your campus because they will help you throughout this process.
Done. What about now?
So now that you have everything figured out, all you have to do is start applying for jobs. If you want to find new job postings all at one place, please visit MyCareer, which is under Conestoga. It's an online portal. You're going to have access to a lot of job postings in the region, not only on campus, but also off campus. If you're not too sure how to use MyCareer, please watch a YouTube video that we have on it. It's a tutorial of how to use it.